grab your camera so fast.
Welcome to Georgia! On the road! We are on the move. We're out of Florida and into Georgia. That came upon me fast. Saw the sign. I quickly had to grab the camera. We don't know where we're going exactly, do we ever? Well, you know, this is the first time in a long time we have not had a reservation somewhere because Florida kind of have to plan ahead of it. Yeah, it was very busy this year. And yeah, so we did a lot of planning ahead in Florida. Now we're footloose and fancy free. We were at a Cracker Barrel last night in Albany, Georgia. Really quiet.
College town, pretty quiet.
Yeah, so we're moving on out of here this morning. I'm not sure what the day will bring, but let's find it.
We're gonna go north and we'll just take back roads and see what we see.
Yeah. Welcome to Alabama. Break time. What are we breaking into?
Breakfast today is deep fried peanuts in a shell from Plains, Georgia. Ingredients are peanuts, peanut oil, and salt. It says to eat the shell and all. Now, I've never had deep fried peanuts. I'm not sure I've ever heard of deep fried peanuts. I have had boiled peanuts in, was it Pensacola?
Yeah, not a fan.
We got some outside of Joe Patty's fish market. I probably should try them again because I thought they were disgusting.
It's a textural thing for me. Too mushy.
Too mushy.
Oh, this one still has a umbilical cord.
Hmm.
No? Not good, huh?
I thought maybe deep frying to make the shells not so chewy. It wasn't a whole lot different than eating just a
roasted.
Just a roasted peanut.
I kind of like it. You're shelling them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this last one, the shell was really thin. Look for a real small one.
I like them. They shell easier. Or...
Don't look like it. It's really not look like it. Oh,
They're a little oily.
There's one that's shelled in there, I saw. Oh, wow. That was oily. Okay.
Well, there's...
Only need a couple of these.
Yeah, I wanted to see if, because this was just the nut deep fried.
Mm-hmm.
Not that much difference. Oilier.
Mm-hmm.
A little goes a long way.
I mean, you really got to chew with the shell. Haunted Chicken House? I want to go. They're not open until October, though. Okay, it's definitely not level. Wills Creek Vineyards for the night.
We did a harvest host here in, what is the name of this town?
Atala?
See, that's what
Atala?
I'm gonna start not even staying at towns I can't pronounce because I'm gonna say it on camera wrong.
Yeah.
But
this is in Alabama.
we're
That's
in
all we're gonna
Alabama.
say. You can Google this winery. Dave went in and did a wine tasting already. Will's Creek Vineyard. And
they grow muscadine grapes here, which is pretty much in the south. That's kind of what they do. It's not my thing, but they also get some Pinot and a few other grapes, some Sauvignon Blanc and a couple others from California, and they make those here. But just an interesting place, and I talked to the woman. I didn't talk to the husband, but the woman that owns it. She grew up here. This was her family's dairy farm, and she grew up milking cows here. And then when her parents passed, her and her husband from Sweden inherited it, and they got this wild hair. Decided, let's just go back there and start a winery. So it was 20 years ago, and
wow.
Sounds very romantic, but it's also a 7-day-a-week gig. And
oh, I believe that.
They make really nice wines here, and they're really nice people.
Just a beautiful spot.
She said if you want, you can go sit up there at the tables and chairs, anywhere you want up there, you can go sit down.
That's what I love about the South, just the friendly people. Now, I know we've been in Florida, but parts of Florida aren't really, I don't consider the South. We're definitely into the South now, and we've been on the nicest roads.
All the way through Georgia and Alabama for, 3 days now.
Yes.
Divided highway, 2 lanes.
Don't ask me what they were, but rural through
You're
the country.
Navigator.
I know, but I don't remember numbers. Yeah, but really, just it's great to be back on the road, I think.
Yeah.
And no plans, just kind of.
There's a state park north of here, just before Lynchburg, Tennessee. And I went to the reservation link to it and just checked availability, and there was like almost all of it was available. So I didn't make reservations. I just make it up there tomorrow and pick a spot, stay there for a few days.
Yeah, maybe do that. Do some laundry and
do the bourbon trails.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't tell you about the bourbon trails.
No thanks. I mean, you can if you want, but yeah, it's a beautiful spot. I'm gonna Zoom meeting with my niece, and she's in Oregon. Oh no, she's in Washington State, and we're gonna do some yoga together. What a beautiful spot for that, right?
What a weird thing, technology. You can actually get on your computer and talk to each other face to face from Washington across the country in Alabama and do yoga together. What a weird world we live in.
It is a weird world when you really think about it.
I'm gonna go open this up.
All right, carry on.
Carry on.